Am I live? Am I live? Let's see. Yes, I am. Good morning, evening, afternoon. It's time to play some Resident Evil Operation Raccoon City. It's my least favorite Resident Evil, I think. Hang on, let me think. Yeah, it is. It's my least favorite, but still not a bad one, huh? It's not as bad as people say it is, honestly. We're gonna play some. We're gonna do a session, me and Jack. But first, I'm gonna put the headset down real quick. I'm gonna check the quality of the stream. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Hello, Sad Wolf Gaming. Welcome, welcome. Alright, as I was saying, we're gonna play some Operation Raccoon City. I've got Jack, he's ready to rock and roll. Apparently, I'm gonna press start and we're gonna go. Let's see. Not mine. You know how much I hate RE4. Yes, you do hate RE4. Yes, you do. Yeah, you do. Alright, so we're gonna go for a campaign. We're gonna start a new campaign, like last time. You know the drill. We're gonna go for private. And then I invite you. Yes, I think that's how it goes. Let's see, creating a game. Let's see. So, squad. You're there. Invite to squad. That's how it goes, apparently. I send you a send. And I think I sent you a send now. You should be here. Hold on. I should select a character. I'm gonna go for... Should I go for Vector again? Or Beltway? Demolition. Yeah, I'm gonna go for this guy this time. I'm gonna wait for Jack to go in. Hang on. Let me try invite him one more time just in case. Oh, he just joined. Okay, he just joined actually. That's good. Hold on, I'm gonna put the headset on real quick. Be right back. Alright, hopefully this time, is he ready? I think he's ready. Yes, he is. Okay, that's good. Hopefully this time, I'll participate more in eliminating the enemies, because last time you did a lot on your own. Sorry about that. I'm not gonna skip the cutscenes, because the cutscenes are awesome, even though it's not canon, it's still an awesome... They're still good visuals, if I do say so myself. King Gamer, welcome! Welcome, we're playing an obscure Resident Evil title. Not an obscure one, but... you know what I mean. It's one of the least favorites. Is it taking a while to load? Come on, game. Now, here we go.
We're in position. Copy. Stand by. You guys must be the new Delta team. Report.
My name is Bertha. Ready to play.
Spectre here. All set.
Name's Belway. Nice to meet you, Mr. Death.
Call me Lupo, Delta Team Squad Leader.
Command, I've rendezvoused with Delta Team.
Understood.
Now find Birkin and secure those samples. Failure is not an option.
You heard him. Let's move.
Hey cat, welcome. I like to stay quiet during the cutscenes.
We're entering the lab of Dr. William Birkin, an Umbrella scientist.
Gonna
attempting
turn
to
around,
classify
turn around,
samples
turn
of a
around.
weaponized virus strain to the U.S.
Let's see if
government.
Jax does the same.
You mean Umbrella's T-virus?
He's not doing the same this
No,
time. Last time he's
this is
doing
a
it.
new gene-altering compound Birkin's developed called the G virus. It's significantly more powerful, and he's in possession.
Even though it's
of
not a
the
canon
unknown
title.
samples. There's a detachment of Umbrella's biohazard counter.
Thank you so much,
service
Kat.
on
Thank you so
site who
much.
will likely try to protect him. They are unaware of this operation and are considered expendable.
Aren't we on the same team? Couldn't we just pick up the phone and call?
The UBCS are just mercenaries.
As I was saying, even though this game is
They
not
can
canon,
plot, which yet assume their loyalty
it's
to
got
the
its good
company.
moments. It's not
Intercept
a fantastic
Birkin
game,
and
but it's
secure the
alright.
G-virus.
Mr. Moore, welcome! Mr. Moore! Alright, let's see. I'm gonna do what I do best in this game. Jack knows. I'm gonna run like crazy. Especially when Birkin follows us now.
Weapons live. We're ready for action.
I want to fire. There we go. Like this.
Alright, so let's go.
Must be able to have a BMW. Can't imagine those things in that.
Wonder where they got the live subjects.
I don't think my shotgun's gonna do much in this situation, actually. So, there's nothing I can do. My shotgun's not gonna be useful in this part. Let's see if I can go this way. Nope. Alright, I guess I can do this then. Let's see. Ah, it's okay actually. Alright. I thought it was a short-range weapon. Guys, can you still hear me with all the shooting and everything? Mastromeda, welcome! Because I know it gets loud. If it's too loud, let me know. If you can't hear me. Ah, come on!
Alright, let's move.
You see now the stairs have opened. Very handy. What's Jack's health like? He's fine, so I'm gonna snag the herb.
Put a frag on these troops.
Go this way, at a closer range. Hey Tyler, welcome! Yeah, the game is a bit loud, is it? So I'm gonna lower the Maybe it's better like this, perhaps? Let me know. Let me know, give me feedback. If it's too low now, let me know. If it's still high, I'll fix it as well. My gun is useless. Hey, Sapphire, welcome. Welcome! Hey, thank you for the sub, Julian. You got to use my... Hey, Liz! Welcome.
Good.
You're doing all the work. I'm sorry, Jack. You're doing all the work. My shotgun is useless in this area. Now, perhaps, I can be a bit more of use. Ah, this is Hunk. Hello, Hunk. Pick up some machine gun. Yes, please. Yes, please. Where is it? Alright. Now I can be useful. There we go.
We've got a location of Dr. Birkin. He's just entered his lab. Get in there and obtain those virus samples.
Roger, Command. Proceeding to Birkin's lab. Stay focused. Birkin's already set up an exchange.
Was there a green herb here somewhere?
We may run into special operatives before this is over.
More of them.
Don't forget your training. If they get too close, use hand-to-hand combat.
Submachine gun. Where's he going? Ah, he's shooting the cameras, are you? You're shooting the cameras, there they are. He's so good. He blows my mind with every Resident Evil game. Jack. We're gonna play RE6, you and I, sometime soon, just so you know.
Emergency. There has been a security breach. Avoid contact with unauthorized personnel.
That wasn't us. We're using authorized access. We might have company.
Repeat. There has been a security breach. Avoid contact with unauthorized personnel.
Look at him destroying the cameras.
Sheer perfection. My precious G-Virus. No one will ever take you away from me.
Repeat. There has been a security breach. Avoid contact with unauthorized personnel.
Oh.
Guard this door. Do not let anyone approach. You, come with me.
So far there aren't any zombies because the outbreak hasn't happened yet. Ah, this is the part of Resident Evil 2 where he goes this way. Doctor, we're here to collect the G-Virus sample.
Sorry.
Thank
but
you,
I
Jack.
won't just hand over my life's work.
There we go, it's all happening in there. The door is locked. Let's go. Whoa! My aim is horrible. Ooh, I'm dying here. I did not see him. He was next to me. He didn't get healed.
Repeat. There has been a security breach. Avoid contact.
Yeah, sorry.
with
They
personnel.
felt like acting up.
Looks like you had some company. Follow me. Let's go. Everyone on board.
Next time, though. Next time. It wasn't capturing. I don't know why. It wasn't capturing the audio for the support. I miss Jackie.
Goblin 6, what's your status?
The upper levels are secure. All above ground escape routes are on lockdown. Waiting on you, sir.
Copy that.
Alpha team, have you retrieved the sample
Affirmative.
yet?
Affirmative. Heading to the rendezvous point now.
Understood.
And there's William. There he is. I think this is the second game you ever actually get to fight William. The first one being Resident Evil 2. Let's go.
Shoot it! Eat this, you freak! The guns aren't stopping.
Wolfpack, let's move.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm gonna do what I do best now. All players must be present. Come on. Come on, Jack. What's he doing? Is he fighting him? There he is.
Alright, close it up.
This is not what we signed up for.
Come on, don't forget our
Ah, we
objective.
closed the door. That's good. So at least he's not coming after me. We can still hear him though. Hey, Barry, welcome. Yeah, I'm sure this is the kind of game you like. Yeah, but this is. I don't even count this as a Resident Evil. Do you consider this survival horror? Do you consider this survival horror? No, it's not. That's not even canon, this story. So, hey, Drew, welcome. Oh, he's coming! He's coming! Let's go, Jack! Let's go, Jack! Jack! Yeah, this is at the peak of when Capcom gave Resident Evil an identity crisis. Shoot Birkin in the eye to slow him down. He's not slowing down! Show me your eye, Birkin. Oh my goodness, he's down! I just realized. Whoa! Oh my goodness, I didn't realize you were down. I'm sorry, Jack. I am sorry, Jack. I am sorry. Let's go again. Oh my goodness. Yeah, they were having an identity crisis with Resident Evil. This was like in the middle of it. It wasn't horror anymore at this point. It was just action. Alright, Jack, I got your back now, I promise. What? How did I get my shotgun again? I don't like the shotgun. You know what? I'm gonna use this to my advantage. You get close, you got blasted. I think I did it. I just need to run, I think. Run, buddy, run! Ghost Hunter, is he down? He's down. Hang on. Ah! Oh, I'm stuck! I'm stuck! Oh my goodness, this is so buggy! I'm stuck! Oh my goodness! Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? I'm sorry, this is not... No, it's so buggy, it's so glitched. This game is broken, by the way, huh? Oh my goodness, I am sorry, Jack. This wasn't my fault. I am so sorry. Alright, let's go again. Birkin loves that fight. think it's weird that you fight Birkin right at the start of the game. He's like the big boss of Resident Evil 2. Alright, Jack, run. Run. Yes, it is, Varro. Yes, it is Birkin. Let's go! Jack! Don't you dare! Don't you... Move, Jack! Get out of there! Come on, buddy! Run! Ooh, the fire. Careful. Where is he? He's coming! Open! What's going on? It's taking forever to open. Oh my goodness! Hang on, I got this. Hang on. Let's just wait for him to get close. Oh, they don't need to close. I thought they did. The door's open. Let's go.
Delta Team, get out of there and regroup with him.
There's gonna be spec ops here. What? Where's Birkin? Oh, I thought Birkin was right behind us. No, he's not, at least. I'm gonna hit the hay, seeing as, yeah. Thank you for stopping by, Barry. Thank you so much. Take care, buddy. Good night. I look forward to more Resident Evil from your end, huh? I wanna see your struggle in the mansion. Okay, whoa, no, doggy, no. Look at Jack charging at them. It's like, oh, Rumble! Oh, my gun's empty. Now what do I do? Hang on, that was away. There we go. Oh my god, the pistol. No! Ah, come on! Come on! Okay, buddy. Okay, I think we did it.
Come on! Birkin injected himself with the G-Virus. There's nothing you can do. Get out of here and make a full report to management.
What the hell are you doing?
I lost the sample. I'm going back for
it. He loves his big pipe, eh? Birkin loves the big pipe. Yeah, I do what I do best. Run. I live the shooting for the pros, for Jack. There we go. I got a B ranking. Now I want you to look at this, guys. Look at my ranking. I'm level 14. Jack is 78. Yeah, I know, Jack. I realize that, yeah. I'm gonna change now. I went for the shotgun because it's a nice blast, but it's not a long range weapon. It sucks. So no problem. Yeah, Jack takes care of Birkin. Alright, so I'm gonna change my gun real quick. Hold on, how do I do this? Select. Alright, so I'll go. I can unlock a gun. Look at the money I have. Which gun was the best last time he said? The Juggernaut? Did he say the Juggernaut was the best gun last time? Or, hang on, let me just look around real quick. The heavy machine gun, perhaps? Machine gun, heavy machine gun, mob, riot. No. If I'm not mistaken, I remember him saying I think it was the Juggernaut. Trying to think. Or the hammer. No, I think it was the hammer. Yeah, Nemi's in this game, yeah. I'm gonna go for this one. The Juggernaut. Juggernaut! Purchase. There we go. Alright, I'm ready. Let's go. I hope this gun doesn't fail me. You're gonna do some studying while you hear the stream. Okay. Thank you for hanging out, Varo. The hammer. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't remember you mentioning the hammer. Yeah. Next time I'll go for the hammer now. Stop! Hammer time! Wow, it takes a while to load, doesn't it?
The failure to contain virus samples has left Umbrella in a precarious situation. Hunk is not responding. The UBCS wing has deployed their forces.
UBCS Team 4, report. Command, we're seeing a lot of RPD and civilian activity in the downtown area. Team 5 reporting. Gunfire near the hospital. Command, we have positive contact! Understood. Move to contain.
Ma'am, please calm down. What is the nature of your emergency? Trying to get in the windows! Please help us! Ma'am? Ma'am!
The line is breached. We can't hold them off. They're everywhere! Containment failed! We need extraction!
To ensure Umbrella's survival, the story of what happened must never be told. We need to make sure the truth dies, along with each scrap of evidence and every survivor. Umbrella Security Service Task Force. Commence Operation Raccoon City.
You see, so that's what these guys are doing basically. They're just trying to remove all traces that can incriminate Umbrella. Obviously these guys failed because everybody knows it was Umbrella anyway.
Yes, and that's why we're being redeployed. Let's hope things go according to plan. We won't be extracted until we can sufficiently cover up Umbrella's involvement in this.
What the heck? I got the shotgun again. What gun is this? Hang on. Oh no. Is this the shotgun again? Oh, I'm sorry, Jack. I didn't change the gun apparently. Hey, Dada, welcome!
There's something up ahead. Weapons ready.
Whoa!
It's only natural. One must do what they can to survive.
Ghost Hunter's wiping them out, huh? So good. No, I'm not drunk. Not today.
Under fire! He's UBCS.
Nikolai Genoviev, UBCS D Platoon B Squad. Your Umbrella Security Service? Our management must be in a panic if they set you.
Save it. What are you doing here?
My team was sent here to rescue citizens, but there's no time for that. City Hall is a mess, trying to find a safe zone.
There is no safe zone. What's going on in there?
City Hall is crawling with infected and some unidentified.
Yeah, sorry,
military
Jack. I just
personnel.
realized now that Juggernaut is a
Looking for
shotgun.
something.
Oops.
Why? What
No.
are you doing?
You leave the questions to us, pal. Let's feed this guy to the locals.
He's UBCS. He'll get himself killed somehow. We've got orders. Let's move.
All the best with your mission.
What a hypocrite. He goes, all the best with your mission. And he's gonna try to sabotage their mission, actually.
Copy that, Command.
Leave Jackhammer alone. Spec Ops.
Government forces have already entered the area. Do not let them secure that evidence.
Stubborn motherfuckers. I'm sure there's more where that came from.
Hang on. What did I just do?
Watch out! Back! Grenade!
Command, we're inside City Hall.
Where's Jack? I lost Jack. Jack! Oh, they're going over there. Okay, let's go.
The security room.
There should be a console. Use it to override the security lockdown.
There we go.
Good. Now you can access the server room and destroy all of the city's records.
Let's go to the server room.
Check out that monitor. Looks like a security feed from earlier today.
I find it weird that a zombie was strong enough to pull him down.
That's Nikolai and his team.
Isn't that against company policy?
No one cares about a few dead UBCS. We've got a job to do.
I noticed Jack actually, yes. I noticed that. I don't need it. Spec Ops are more dangerous than I need it now.
Not bad.
He is ridiculously technical, he really is. But it works to his advantage, so why not? Hey Hunter, welcome! Welcome, welcome. Run! I make a fantastic partner. What you talking about? I suck.
Looks like Nikolai's handiwork.
Okay, these are the... What do I do? I just shoot them, yeah? There we go. There we go.
Good. Now proceed to the records room and finish the job.
For a second I thought I was going back. It looks very familiar here, but I don't think so. Or are we going back actually? No. Zombies! Face hugging the desk. Oh, more of these guys. Spec Ops! Eat this.
Get away from it!
Run, run, run! Hey, Michio, welcome! Can you shoot and kill a 12-year-old Sherry on here? Actually, you get to decide at the end. I think you know that. You get to decide whether you want to keep them alive or not. Towards the very end.
Is this what I was worried about? Let's toast it.
Hey, welcome, Philly. I think what we're gonna do here now is shut off the city lights. So, hey, Julian. Julian's lurking. That was the last one, was it? Ah, they're showing on the map actually where they are. There they are. Okay.
Hey, Command.
Hold on a sec. I see them on the map. I'm an idiot.
Let's go.
Hang on, what are these? What are those? Hold on, hold on, hold on. No, those on the map are not people. Are people actually, not the... Alright, I think you need to get out of here. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Jack and his guns. I'll take this, thank you very much. Is this the way out?
What the hell's wrong with you, Nikolai? Why'd you off your whole damn team?
They serve their purpose most excellently. Just as you.
God damn it, Nikolai! Get back here!
I forgot. Do we need to kill the clickers? The lickers? Or, no, find the black card and exit. That's it. Let's get out of here. Oh my goodness. They're not giving me a chance. Alright, let's go. Oh my, I'm gonna die! Oh, but I did take out the first aid spray. Did you guys see me do that? Oh, okay. They can keep going, actually. Alright, they can keep going without me. Let's see Jack in action. Look at him. Look at him! He's like a juggernaut. He can't be stopped. Look at him. There you go. He completed it also. Like, he's like, you're gonna die? I'm gonna continue on my own. That was good.
In the meantime, we'll look
GG.
into that UBCS operative, Nikolai.
Good, good. Well done. Alright, so I'm gonna change the gun now. And he said it's the hammer. Alright, let's go with the hammer. I wanna buy this gun. But I don't have enough. No! Let's go. Hung Jr. Cowboy shotgun. Oh, by the way, Ashley, thank you for the retweet.
A number of survivors in Raccoon City may still have information that could damage the corporation. We don't have time to hunt them down individually, so we're going to have you knock out a power grid that will take down the city's telecommunications. We can't let anything get out that might link us to the outbreak. We're sending you some electromagnetic pulse generators that you will use to deactivate the power plant in the northern sector of the city. A supply chopper is inbound with the generators. Rendezvous with it on the Raccoon City Hospital rooftop helipad.
Objective confirmed. We're moving to the hospital now.
Oh, okay. DLC. Okay. Alright, so we are in the hospital now from Resident Evil 3. You didn't? Okay, must have been another Ashley then. Some other awesome person. Oh, we're looking for cards, I think. Yeah, I think we're looking for the black card and the blue card and stuff like that. Yeah. I found the blue card. Hang on. There we go. Should I pick it up? Should I pick this up? Should I pick this up? You know what? I'm gonna pick it up. Oh, by the way, I do have the infinite rocket launcher now in Resident Evil 4. Woohoo! I will do a run sometime soon.
Good evening, Umbrella Security Service. Hope you haven't forgotten your friend Nikolai. I see you escaped, my little diversion at City Hall.
Nikolai, that UBCS punk. This guy's a piece of work.
Unfortunately, my client can't have you interfering with our little side project. So, I've rigged up a few toys to keep you busy.
Yes, these zombies are rigged now. They have explosives in them, so... Ooh! You know what I'm gonna do, actually? Look after the grenade launcher, because the grenade launcher is a useful weapon. What the heck?
Explosives on the zombies. Better watch out.
They are as good as dead.
My little contraption seemed to be working perfectly.
I'm not looking at chat much, I'm sorry guys. I'm trying not to disappoint Jack. Because Nikolai is after us. What the heck just happened? I have interacted with the computer.
Sounds hungry.
Not the liquors again!
What's up with those bills?
Delta Team, the EMP supply chopper is inbound. Get to the roof.
Get to the chopper! Ooh!
else does this guy have?
No, 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 no. Hey, Amy. Amy, you can join us. Switch on your PlayStation right now and come join us. I need to add me on PSN, I think. You're welcome. Crimson Heads! I think it's the second time we ever fight Crimson Heads in the Resident Evil universe. I think. Look, the city is gonna go on blackout now. Slow dramatic walk.
This hospital is running down. Let's get out before we go with it.
Command, the supply drop is down. We've lost sight of our target in this flame.
Do not let Nikolai get a hold of those EMP charges. Get to that crash site and recover them immediately.
Let us get out of here. Now. I'm good at running away, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna run like crazy! Look at the Crimson Heads! Come on, come on, come on, come on, open the door! God damn it! Oh, my gun is empty, fantastic! You'll join us in the next round maybe now, okay? Finish this one! That's what I saved the grenade launcher for, you see? For these guys. Let's go! Oh my goodness. Run, 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 run! Oh, I need to heal. Where is everybody? Oh, there they are. Ghost Hunter's AFK. The stun he pulled off is impossible with just one bullet.
Alright, let's get to that crash site.
Remain silent. Don't attract their attention.
Uh-oh, these guys. Hang on.
Incoming!
Take cover! Watch out!
Just gonna make a run for it, I don't care. I'm gonna run like a coward. Ah!
Chopper crashed by that clock tower. Let's get those EMPs.
The area's barricaded. We'll have to find another way in. Hold still.
How is it that when Jack uses a first aid spray, I get healed, but whenever I do, he doesn't get healed? And I use it next to him. I don't know why. Maybe I'm not close enough. I don't know. So we need to search for the EMP devices. One. Come on, collect it. Whoa, Mr. Crimson Head. Oh my goodness! Jack, help! You know what? I don't have any grenades. They picked up another one, that's good.
EMP charge secure. Somebody else is
so many Crimson Heads! I'm infected now.
Yes, go.
Wolfpack, take him out. You need that EMP.
Goddamn sniper rifle. We're sitting ducks.
Someone distract him with suppressive fire so we can move.
Grenade!
Ha! You fools don't even know what you are doing. Do you really think that I could have done this all alone, comrades?
Let's do this.
How do you think I knew where you were going? How did I know about your precious EMP devices? My client gave me your comm channel. That's right. I've been gathering combat data for Operation Watchdog. You have been most useful in assisting me. Of course, my client wants this information. They will have to pay for it.
He's ringing the bell, you see. Now, zombies are gonna come out because they get attracted to loud noise. Oh, come on! They didn't get infected. Where is Nikolai?
You are ruining my work.
They're coming out again. Ah, come on. Let's attack Nikolai. Uh-oh, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Watch out!
Ooh, headshot.
Nikolai is not a priority. Disengage and proceed to the power plant immediately.
Now we're gonna go inside the clock tower from Resident Evil 3. Check out the areas. It's amazing. It's nice to see them in better graphics. Check it out. Look. And listen to the music. Uh-oh. Listen to the music. It's Moonlight Sonata from Resident Evil 1. Hang on, I'm gonna tweet you my username. Hold on.
Is not sure what's motivating Nikolai.
Hold on. Give me a sec. Give me a sec.
We'll keep looking into it.
I think I already sent you. Whoa, what's going on? Hold on. I'm on my phone right now. Hold on. I sent it. It's gone. It has been sended. Alright, let's go. Look at the areas. You see? It's the areas from RE3. No shotgun for me. Whew. I thought they were zombies. Okay, where do we go from here? Ghost Hunter knows. Okay.
Government forces.
Government force issue. What's over here? Hold on.
Knife grenade!
Whoa, who's shooting? Who's shooting? You! Ah, God, this has something to do. No, I need to change guns. Hold on. There we go, now we're talking. Oh, there you go, I heal again. I don't know how he's doing that. I'll try it myself next time. Let's disable the generators.
Command, we've reached the power plant.
Copy that. Plant the EMP charges on the generators and knock out that power grid.
Boy Scouts, they must be trying to keep you out.
How do you do this?
Security service dog. Time to finish this.
It's Nikolai again? This guy just doesn't quit.
Whoa. Oh, I died. Look at Ghost Hunter killing it.
Watch out!
What do I do? is doing just fine without me. Maybe it's for the best. Holy crap, I'm doing so loud. That's it. He just did the whole thing by himself. Look at that. And that's how the blackout happened in Raccoon
The
City.
power
Look at
grid's
that.
down. Our job's done. No need to keep fighting. Leave those bastards in the dark.
There we go. C. Excellent. And that's how you do it, folks. Yeah. He did the mission by himself. Maybe it was for the best that I died. Jack as boss. Alright, I am gonna go put the headset down real quick. I'm gonna go pee. Alright, and we'll wait for Amy to join us. Hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. And I just invited... Oh, no I haven't. Now I have. I should have. Let's just wait for her for a bit. Sorry, I thought I sent you the invite. Returns from the bathroom. I'm back from the bathroom. I made myself another drink. You see, it's a vicious cycle. You see, now I'm gonna have to go to the bathroom again. This is a strong drink. Oh, and there's Amy. Oh my goodness, level 98. Are you kidding me? Wow. And I was impressed with Jack's 78. Wow. What the heck? Can you change the characters? What the heck? What the heck is that? How do I change the characters? No character costumes found. Okay. No, it's not a costume. No, it's just. All right, let's go. That's enough. Wow, look at that. Let's go. Let's see what Amy is made of. Maybe she hacked, she cheated to get to that level. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Takes forever to load. Oh well. After this, maybe we should try the Spec Ops mission. We'll see.
Delta Team, the Corporation has used the outbreak in Raccoon City as an opportunity to deploy a prototype of our most powerful and responsive VOW to date, the TO2, codenamed Nemesis. It's on a mission to kill the last remaining members of STARS. However, it has been damaged and is no longer responding to commands. We need you to relocate and repair it.
Copy that command. Preparing a prototype VOW.
Welcome back, Mr. Moore. You're just in time for the Nemesis.
First, you'll need to secure a working NEA parasite. We've identified one inside of an umbrella facility.
I hate those parasites. Oh my goodness. But at least we've got Amy with us now.
Why does the dead factory still have power? We just shut down the power grid.
All umbrella facilities have their own power source.
All right. Where's Amy? There she is. We're good. Let's go. Whoa. She's gonna make a run for it. I don't care. I don't care. I'm gonna make a run for it. Crimson heads! Watch out, everyone! Run, guys! Oh my goodness, I'm bleeding! Oh, God dang it, run! Oh, I died. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm sorry, Amy. We can't. We'll figure it out next time, sorry. Let's look at Amy. Ah, Amy's using invisibility. Well, apparently she's still being attacked. I don't get it. Amy's down too. Okay, we're back. Yeah, Jack. Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, let's protect Leon this time. Look, Crimson Head police officers. I love that. Ah! And now I'm bleeding. Oh my goodness! I'm running like crazy. Hang on, I'm gonna take the herb. Come on, get out of there. Okay, he's down. join your teammate at the objective marker. Where is it? What the heck? What just happened? Okay, we're at the cemetery now, because it's a great idea. Oh, she healed now, you see? Okay, it worked. I'd have to stand really close. It's backups! Damn it! Damn it, damn it, damn it! Let's see what Jack is up to. Oh, he revived me, okay. Thank you. Thanks. Oh my goodness, I keep bleeding. I'm sorry. I keep bleeding. Help me, please! Help me, please! Jack is like my babysitter. Where's Amy? Ah, Amy's down!
Must be Umbrella's warehouse. The hell is all that noise?
Okay, this doesn't sound good.
Must be another one around here.
Uh-oh.
Must be another one around here. There we go. Code is working again.
Run! Oh, nice. Out of ammo.
Watch out! Hey! Open fire! Fire in the hole!
Incoming! Gunfire! Let's move!
Command, we've reached it.
Good. There should be a computer terminal inside. Use it to gain access to the VOW programming facility.
You heard him. Let's move.
Where's Amy? There she is. Okay, let's go.
Let's see. Here we are. Got it.
Let's go, Jack.
Sending them into the field. That T-103 is a failed experiment. You'll be extracting the parasites from its brain to implant in the Nemesis. Collect the necessary components.
Recover the components to repair the Nemesis. We're going to repair the Nemesis, how weird. Oh yeah, I think it's the... it's the toughest part, I think, this one.
Let's hurry it up.
I'm gonna follow Jack. Jack knows exactly where to go. Yeah, I hate this part. Look at these creatures.
Okay.
This is one of our most secret facilities, and it contains some of our most dangerous specimens. Exercise caution.
I hate this part. I hate these creatures. Let's go.
At least this one's not moving.
Do we kill these guys?
Alright, now find a large syringe. Now carefully extract the parasite from the T-103's neural cortex.
Command, we've successfully extracted the parasite.
Good. Now locate the rogue Nemesis and repair it.
Alright, let's go find the Nemesis. I hate these creatures. Uh-oh.
Ah, shit. Tyrant is reactivating.
Find 3 keycards to unlock the door. Yeah, like I'm gonna find them.
Door's locked. Look, multiple keycard slots. We need those cards.
Out of ammo.
Requires blue card. Nope, nope, nope. Uh-oh, uh-oh, Tyrant! Ah! Two of 3 keycards. Jack finds everything. Oh my goodness, I'm trapped! I'm trapped! Oh my goodness! I should have hung out with them. Where are they? I'm gonna hang out with them. No, 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 not the tyrant! God dang it, I get locked! I get locked in the corner! Okay, somebody just revived me apparently. Or what? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Where do you find the cards? Where are the cards? Where are my friends? There they are. Alright, I think we got the cards. Ah! Disable security console, blah 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 blah. Escape the umbrella facility. Okay, let's do this. Out, 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 out. Goodness. What the heck is he doing? Why is he jumping like that? No, this is not the right way. Clingy. Is it because I'm hanging out with my friends all the time? Oh no! No, 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 no! Is this it? Is this the door? No. Up here, up here, up here. And down here? No. I'm going the right way. The wrong way. No, the right way. Actually, I am going the right way. Oh, Amy died. I had no idea. This elevator bit gives us a little bit of a breather. Like, ah. Not good.
Located the Nemesis. Proceeding with the objective.
In its damaged state, that Nemesis will attack anything. You'll need to disable it first.
Why won't you pick it up? It's weird. It refuses to pick it up. Oh my goodness. The music is a remix of the final battle against the Nemesis in Resident Evil 3, for those of you who are curious. It's the exact music from Resident Evil 3. But it's the end music where he goes 5, 4, 3, check system. Chicken system. I died. No, I didn't. Now I did. Wow, thank you, Amy. Why can't I pick up stuff? Look at this! I don't know what's going on. The game is bugged again. I can't pick up anything. I don't know why. Something's wrong.
The Nemesis is down. Give him the shot.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's go. Nemesis down. Where is he, the Nemesis? Now. Inject parasite the Nemesis. I can't do it. I don't know why. The prompt is not showing up. Okay. I died. Now he's gonna be pre-programmed to attack stars. I hate the way he yells stars in this one. He doesn't do it right. To me, the Resident Evil 3 roar is the best. Stars! Everybody's starsing in chat. Look at my XP going up. Look at my XP going up. Maybe one day I'll reach Amy. Stars. Next time we'll figure out chat. Maybe we can use Discord. But this time I don't know. It wasn't working. It wasn't capturing it for some reason. Alright. Yay! RPD hype! We're gonna go to the RPD now. No, still a long way to go. Takes forever to load.
Management needs you at the Raccoon City Police Department. Umbrella had a secret arrangement with Police Chief Brian Irons guaranteeing the cooperation and discretion of the police department. It has come to our attention that he has been compiling information implicating Umbrella in a variety of morally questionable activities. He may be looking to use the information to extort Umbrella. Get rid of his intel and make sure there aren't any police officers left to report anything. The prospect of extraction is high if the mission is a success.
Copy, we're on it.
Good. Time is
Yeah, that's what I'm saving for actually. I'm saving for the Samurai Edge. Samurai Edge? Edge. Edge. Alright, we're heading to the police station. Love it. This is my favorite mission. Because I love the RPD. That must have been Jack destroying the security camera for sure. We should just make a run for it. Let's just make a run for the police station. That's what I'm gonna do.
Here, Pooch.
There's pooches coming on. Be careful. Ah, the pooch is chasing me. Son of a biscuit! You're kidding me! Where is he? Where's the pooch?
Command, we've entered the police
Yay,
station.
we're inside the police station.
Intel
Hey, Matt, welcome!
Chief's office.
Welcome, buddy.
Take care of it.
I wish you had this game so you could join us, buddy. You recognize the rooms? You recognize the rooms? Look at this! Look at this room, remember? Chief Iron's office. Hang on, I think we need to go to Chief Iron's office to destroy some evidence, no?
The intel should be in that office somewhere.
Here we are.
Since Chief Irons was involved in the whole thing.
It's about time. Management has been getting nervous. That should be it for
This is what I imagine it looks like in the remake. This is what I think it's gonna look like in the remake. I don't know. Graphic wise, not. I love the police station. I want to make the most of this. What's over here? Door locked. And the main hall, it looks amazing. The main hall looks gorgeous. Okay, we're here actually, look. Look at the main hall, it looks beautiful. I hope it looks something like this or better. Not what they did with Umbrella Corps. It was a mess. What they did with the police station. I think I put the ladder down. I just put the ladder down. I'm gonna pick up. I don't need to pick up. Look at the main hall. It looks gorgeous. And look like there's the lamps in the middle. They never existed in the full game. Oh, we're down here. We're already. We made it. There's a vending machine in the main hall. Oh, I don't have ammo. Trying to shoot. I'm like, why am I not shooting? Let's take a second to admire the Raccoon Police Department main hall. Look at that. Looks beautiful. Oh, hang on. I got ammo here. Oh, look, and there's benches as well. I never noticed these benches. Hold on. Nothing. I wish I could explore more. Okay, let's go. I'm keeping others waiting. Let's go. Sorry! Hold on, I want to check out downstairs. Hold on, I want to check out down here real quick. Oh, cool. Alright, sorry, I wanted to look around. Sorry, I wanted to look around. Alright, sorry guys, I'm back. Sorry. Let's go. This was on PS3. Oh, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Can you guess who's driving? Alright, let's go. Goodbye, police station. I'll miss you. I wish I could take a screenshot, but I can't.
Team, your priorities have changed.
I can't go back in. I'll miss you, police station. I'll see you in Resident Evil 2 remake. Now where are my friends? They don't give a crap about the RPD. They just took off. Right now.
Identify yourself.
Is it me or does Leon have luscious lips in this game?
Find that cop and kill him.
They're blocking everything. You gotta go around.
Leon is scared of us.
I'm not one of those things. Stop shooting.
And this is why this game is not canon. Liquors everywhere!
We lost them.
You lost them? Damn.
Watch it next time.
Management's run out.
Watch out, guys. Zombies behind the door.
To plan B. Delta team, you're on your own.
Finish the job, we'll sort it out later.
Got a bad feeling about this.
Okay, hold on. Let's go. Oh, damn it, I'm bleeding. Run. Run, buddy, run! Oh, come on.
Damn it. What the hell is that noise?
Here they come. And it's not what you think they are. It's actually hunters.
Fuck! They're dropping ME-121s! Those things will come after
I think I would have preferred if they were Mr. X's. Why do I keep bleeding? Nice. Good job, guys. Stagla. Now, where do we go from here? Run! Oh my goodness, it fell on me. Did you guys see that? Oh. Somebody just survived me. Thank you very much. Oh, come on. Goodness. Thank you for the 1 millionth time. Thank you so much. Alright, we're gonna do this now. A-hole. He's gone. There's two of them. My gun is empty, fantastic. Ghost Hunter's down. Oh, okay, he got revived. Nice. Wow, that was intense.
a ghost. Fuck it. Let's just get someplace safe.
Oh my goodness, come on! Hey True, welcome! That's why I haven't messaged you back on Twitter, sorry. Because I'm playing this. I need to test to see if Outbreak is still working. So that maybe we can stream later. I don't know, we're gonna try. We'll see what happens. Oh my goodness, I get revived and I get killed right away. Sexy dudes. There's also Amy playing with us. I should have edited the description. Sorry about that. I should do that. Hang on. While I'm on the floor, it did. Oh, I got revived. No, I didn't get revived. Hold on. Sorry, I'm back.
Watch out!
I edited the description of the title, not the description. I got killed. Yeah, I had problems with the frickin' Discord. It wouldn't capture for some reason. I'll try to start doing it from here and see if it makes any difference for Discord, but I can't do it now. Alright, somebody revived me, I don't know who, but thank you very much. Ah! Oh my goodness, I keep dying. Ah man, I'm laughing instead of raging, huh? Honestly, losing it. Look at that! Look at that! It's ridiculous. Alright, let's try again. I'm gonna take this seriously now. Take your time to reload. Hunters keep falling on my head. Let's go. Oh, I'm bleeding, I'm bleeding. My goodness. Fucking gun is empty and I can't move. That's it, I'm dead. Oh, my goodness, I'm so close to raging. Very funny, Drew. Very funny. Oh my god, it's so hard. Don't break down as well. It's all on Amy. No, Amy's done too. Spectre is still on, but Spectre doesn't count, so we're back. Okay. There's no way out. We have to take them out first. Freaking bleeding! Yes, it's us the end of the box, that's right, yeah. So there's room for one more. True. Hint, hint. No, you don't have a PS3, do you? Just evil. Did you guys see that? There's a zombie. Okay, I got revived. Okay, let's go.
Hey, that place looks safe to you guys.
We did it. I don't know how, but we did it. The X. Alright, let's take care of Mr. X. Where is he? Still hit me even though I got out of the way. Oh, that's two of them! And he's down! PC Master Race. What PC Master Race? PC's crash.
Are you gonna make it?
Get off me.
Get off me, Jack.
Man? Yeah, fuck you too!
No answer.
Doesn't look like they're answering. They fucking left us.
Then we've got a long night ahead of us.
How many deaths? 9. Yes, I will message you through. Take care, buddy. Thank you so much for hanging out. I'll let you know. I'll let you know how it's gonna go for Outbreak. I'll make a test once we're done here. All right, Redemption. Is this the last mission? I don't know. No, it's not, is it? I'm not so sure. Hold on. No. No. I'm not gonna settle for anything less. I've been telling her to get Outbreak. Two more missions to go. Okay.
Command, this is Wolfpack. We are pinned down and destroying massive amounts of your precious BOWs. It's in your best interest to evacuate us immediately.
Command, you need to evacuate ASAP. Get us out of here. Fuck you!
Command, if you're even listening, we need extraction immediately.
Delta Team, come in. Over.
Delta Team reporting.
We've been impressed by your actions.
Give a shit about
Management feels we were a bit too quick to judge your unit. Perhaps a little harsh. Therefore, we have reluctantly agreed to your request for extraction. However, to carry out your wish, we'll need to deal with the spies that have infiltrated our laboratory facility. Your new objective is to get to the facility, identify the spies, and kill them. Transmitting coordinates.
You need to give us answers. Why did you...
Terminating transmission. Command out.
Umbrella Labs.
Can we trust those fuckers at HQ?
See after we've taken care of the intruders.
Just for the record, we should make
This is pretty much the end of Resident Evil 2, the area, pretty much, I think. Nothing. I'm gonna follow Jack. He knows what to do. Look at this guy! He died sitting down. No, Christian heads, you are not welcome.
reached a lower level. More of these guys? Shit.
It's really taking its time.
Need bullets.
You're gonna have to kill me, Amy. Hey, welcome back, Varro. You are just in time to see me turn into a zombie. I'm infected. And there's no antivirus. Kill me! Oh. There we go. Alright. Alright, let's go. No, what hammer? No hammer.
God.
What the heck? Not these guys! How was your studying, Varro? Did you study?
Hey, yeah.
Look! I think she looks yummy in this in this version as well.
They're already on to me.
Hey, the wait. Does anybody need to use healing? No, everybody's full health. Okay, so
Watch out!
back up. No, it's her. It's Ada.
Fuck, she got away.
Take those spec ops out too!
I found the way out, guys! Oh, okay. I had no idea they were right behind me. This gets a bit tough.
Come on.
Survive the ride to the lab. Okay. How hard can it be? Look at Amy going invisible. Sorry, I can't see you. Uh-oh, what's going on? What? We're talking about Ada. You know what? I'm gonna quickly get some ammo. Hold on. Make a run for it, I don't care.
Warning. Installation self-destruct sequence engaged. All personnel are to evacuate immediately.
What the hell is going on? Why is the self-destruct sequence active? Get to that control room!
Repeat. All personnel are to evacuate immediately.
I got you, Amy! I got you! There we go. I revived, but I'm bleeding! Now I died! No, no, I didn't die. Okay. Now I died. My goodness. I got blocked, I couldn't go in.
I'm coming, no.
The fight with the tyrant is better than the one in Resident Evil 2. They're making out. Ada used it as an excuse. She's like, I'm dying. You have to give me a kiss before I die. So he's like, okay, it's the least I could do. She's dying. She tricked him into kissing her. Because she wasn't really dying. And she's all there lying down like, fooled you.
Evacuate immediately. Warning. Installation self-destruct sequence engaged. All personnel are to evacuate immediately. Repeat. All personnel are
I'm gonna run like crazy in this part, I don't care. Guys, you better follow me.
Open fire!
What open fire? Follow me to survive. Survival of the fittest. Come on, open door.
Hurry up and find those intruders.
Repeat. All personnel are to evacuate immediately.
I'm gonna follow Jack now because Jack knows this game inside out. I'm sure Amy does as well with that XP. Is she down? Oh, she's coming. Ah, she's struggling. Hold on, might as well just end this part. She's gonna respawn up there now anyway. Is she here with us? Yes, she is. Let's go.
Damn, he's going.
Spread out.
Stupid.
Repeat. All personnel are to evacuate immediately.
Here it comes. I think the fight with the Tyrant here is much better than Resident Evil 2. Sound looks fantastic. This is how a Tyrant should look.
Command, this is hopeless. We gotta get out of here.
Fine, we'll deal with this later. Evacuate the facility. You'll have to get out on the service platform. Go.
Oh, I'm dying. Wow, so close to dying. Look at that.
Repeat. All personnel are to evacuate immediately.
Holy shit! That's a T-103 without its power limit.
He's going up. Look how awesome is that. We need to shoot him in the obvious part of the body. Yeah, I know. I'm just hanging on by a thread anyway. Keeps covering his boobie. There you go. Keeps covering his boobie, so they don't chill on the boobie. I'd rather deal with lickers than hunters. And here they come. this side. And he's back. made it. We made it, we're at the top.
God damn. Is that it?
It's not dead, but it won't be
Yeah,
back
one more mission
anytime
to go.
soon.
Come on, we're still in pursuit of the spy Leon S. Kennedy. We need assistance. Over.
We've elevated Leon S. Kennedy to be a priority target. He must not be allowed to escape the city. You better hope there's a way to fix this.
We did it! Moving on. Can we do the one where we play all as heroes? Can we do that after this? Jackie, tell us which one is the best to do after this one. Nope, still not enough. End of the line. Leon S. Kennedy protecting Sherry Birkin, who holds the key to the G-Virus antigen. The government is sending new reinforcements to help them. If Wolfpack can't secure the girl and kill Leon, Umbrella won't be so forgiving this time. Does my capture card get warm after streaming for a while? No, not at all. It's not warm, no.
Command has accommodated your request to locate priority target Leon S. Kennedy. Stand by. They'll Delta team. We just intercepted a distress call from that police officer, Leon Kennedy. He's with 2 other survivors, Claire Redfield and Dr. Birkin's own daughter, Sherry. We've zeroed in on their location in Lonsdale Yard. Military forces are already en route to their position. Apparently, Sherry was
Hey, Levy, welcome.
G-virus and was given
Yes, we are
an
saving
antigen.
them, Amy. Yes, that's what we're
vaccine
gonna do.
was lost along with
We
the
are
lab,
going
but
to
the
save
antigen
them.
is still inside of her. Neutralize Leon and Claire and deliver Sherry to Umbrella. This is your last chance.
Objective confirmed. Wolfpack is on the move. Over.
Wolfpack always reminds me of The Hangover, because they were called the Wolfpack. I always think of Zach Galifianakis, like... Who let the dogs out? The Wolfpack. Let's go. Oh, they're getting up. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Crimson heads! Of course. Come on, come on, come on, come on. No! At least I'm unaffected. Yes, I am. Oh man! I'm a zombie. I agree, Levy, actually. It's not that bad. It's not a fantastic game, let's be honest, but it's not that bad. I've seen worse. Umbrella Course is worse. It's not that bad. It's not a canon story, so that's where it's at. It's got a few bugs and glitches. But it's not bad. It's not a bad game, no.
Sure thing. Come on.
It's okay. I'm gonna die. I died.
Watch my back.
Somebody revive me! Ah, both of us are on the floor. We're right next to each other. Is that true? Is that right? That's what it looks like. Yeah, I'm up. Okay. There we go, and he's up too. So good to go. Amy is down. Where's Amy? I can't find Amy. Oh, there she is. And now I'm down. Thank you, she returned the favor, you see? Amy's gonna turn into a zombie real soon. Or not.
Clear! Fire!
Hi there. Here's another!
That shit's getting annoying.
Bitch! Watch out! I'm bleeding.
And now I died. I revived one and I died.
Going in!
Thank you very much. Yeah, it's just wishful thinking, I think, Levy. I think it's just wishful thinking. People want a remake of, or a remaster, whatever, of Outbreak. People want that. And Capcom has got nothing to lose by doing that, because people, if they like money, they are going to do it. But if it's not official, if nothing's been announced, I take everything with a pinch of salt, really. All we know is we're getting Resident Evil 2 remake for sure. Because that has been officially announced, so. Ooh, zombie. For the time being, I'm playing Outbreak on the emulator. With the fan servers.
There he is.
Spec Ops are moving in on your position. They're here to evacuate those survivors. Don't let them interfere.
Oh my goodness! I walked right into the flamethrower. Jack's gonna die. Jack's gonna die. There you go. Even Amy died. Okay, so it's just Spectre, but he doesn't count, so...
There he is.
More Spec Ops are moving in on your position. They're here to evacuate those survivors. Don't let them interfere.
So many zombies!
You guys are Umbrella, huh? Then I've got something special in store for you.
I'm freaking bleeding now. And I'm dead.
Here's my message for Umbrella.
There he is.
We all died. We're gonna do this, guys. Don't worry. Don't give up.
More Spec Ops are moving in on your position. They're here to evacuate those survivors. Don't let them interfere.
I need an herb. Oh my goodness, how did I die? Ah, Leon is sniping us. Leon is sniping us from a distance. Look at Amy! Surrounded! Let's try again.
There he is.
More spec ops are moving in on your position. They're here to evacuate those survivors. Don't let them interfere.
And I'm bleeding, just like that I'm bleeding right away. Oh my goodness, I'm on my own! I'm gonna do this, I'm not gonna do this!
You guys are Umbrella, huh? Then I've got something special in store for you.
Oh, I was so close, I got sniped by Leon.
There he is.
More spec ops are moving in on your position. They're here to evacuate those survivors. Don't let them interfere.
Kill me! Cover me!
Watch out.
Did we do it? We did.
Where's the little girl?
Claire, take Sherry. Get out of here.
Leon, no!
Bring that Birkin girl over here, or we'll take our time with this cub.
Go!
Don't hurt him! All right, we're
I think she's
coming!
voiced by Alison Court as well.
Why are you doing this?
Yes, the first time I finished this game I did it with AI, huh? Let's defend Leon Kennedy, okay? Let's do this.
What's in it for you, huh?
So Leon's on our side now. Or we are on Leon's side, whatever. We did it.
On your feet. Get over there. Move!
Delta Team, what's your status?
The targets have been apprehended.
Eliminate them and bring us the girl.
We can do that. But first, we need to renegotiate our deal.
What are you talking about?
You left us for dead fighting your BOWs. We want triple the original amount and an evac chopper sent to our location immediately.
You must be out of your mind. We're not negotiating with you. Finish your mission.
Finish it yourself. Consider our contract with Umbrella terminated.
Then you can die along with Raccoon City.
We'll take our chances.
Why didn't you kill us?
You aren't the leverage we thought you were. Umbrella's turned on us already. It's time we stab them in the back.
What about Sherry?
Keep her. We've got other plans. Once we get out of this city, we're gonna gut Umbrella from the inside out.
Yeah, we did it.
Thank you, Vloggy.
All right. Do you guys want to go for a round of Spec Ops or whatever that's called, Heroes, where we can play as Leon, Claire, and Jill? Are those any fun? What do you guys recommend? Are we starting over? We're starting over, are we? No. So let's go back. Yeah, let's do Spec Ops. Can you host the game, Jack? Can you host the game and you invite us? Because I don't know how to do it. I think I can. Hold on. I think I can. Hold on. I think I can. It's campaign, and we have to do. Is it free play? And I do the private, and I go for Spec Ops. Is this it? Is this how it's done? And then I go for squad. I'm gonna invite them again. So invite to squad. And then after this we'll do heroes. Okay? We're good. I like this guy. Amy's in, okay. Ghost Hunter is like the manliest. Okay, Amy, don't worry. Okay, no problem. Thanks for joining us. You get some rest. See ya.
area. The city's gone to shit. I've never seen anything like this. Alright, deploy the special operatives. There's more than just a common cold going around down there. We need to get to the bottom of this.
Okay, here we go. Yeah, I don't have the Spec Ops either. This is just the first mission that I have free.
Echo 6, report.
DA, assault, reporting.
Harley, medic, reporting.
Party girl, surveillance, reporting.
Tweed, demolitions, reporting.
Command, Echo 6, reporting in, requesting objective.
Reports from Raccoon City in the past 36 hours have been mixed at best. No one's sure what to believe anymore. Make contact with local authorities and return an accurate situation report. Get to the Raccoon City Police Department and find out what
We're going to the RPD again? Seriously?
Roger that, Command. Echo 6 moving out. I've never seen a hot zone that was this quiet. Civilian contact ahead. Look lively.
What the heck? Glitched the heck out of it. Did you see that?
Force on any hostiles.
Looks like Jack's no longer virus. That's good. If that's a verb. Virus. What the heck? Stupid dog! Look at him glitching. City. I love it.
I'm out.
Crap, no ammo. Lucy, hello! I saw you play Operation Raccoon City once, Lucy. Was that on PlayStation or was it on computer? On PC? Because if you have it on PC, on I can't even talk right now. If you have it on PS3, you can join us if you want. Come on, Jack. Let's go, buddy.
Help me open this.
Whoa!
We're under fire. Defensive position.
Roger, Echo 6. Engage and neutralize, but don't get bogged down.
Ah, crap. What just shot me? There's bad guys shooting at me. Oh, come on. I got upper on positions as the surprise. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I understand. I'm just gonna run for it. I don't care. Get out of my way! Yeah, I'm sure you can get it secondhand on eBay or something. But anyway, it's like I don't even want to buy the Spec Ops mission. I'm only playing this because the first one was free. So I understand wanting to spend money on this one.
Roger, Echo 6. Engage and neutralize, but don't get bogged down.
I mean, it's not a bad game, but it's not a great one either. This game should be free. Oh, come on!
Need ammo!
That was an assault rifle. Where was it? There it is. Hey Wesker, welcome. You can't hide forever. You're merely postponing the inevitable. Oh, it's the other way around. Sorry, I'm coming. Jack is waiting for me. He's probably getting impatient. Sorry, buddy. I'm coming, bro. Where are you? I am a god. Even kings bow to gods. Search the air for flares. We're rescuing people. We're actually the good guys now. I like that. I like being the good guy. Unlike Wesker, he likes being the bad guy. You can't hide forever. Why can't you understand, Chris? Do you really believe the world is worth saving? Oh, sorry, I'll stop now. What's over here? Why am I running the opposite way? Is there anything here? No, I'm just gonna run the other way. Hold on. Wait for me, Jack! Hold down until reinforcements arrive. What? What's going on? No, 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 what's going on? Crimson heads are even faster than me when it comes to running. Ah! Run! What the heck? Did I kill you? The heck? How did that happen? Oh, I died. I expected more of a challenge after all this time, Chris. How disappointing. I'm gonna hang out here. Oh, you saved my ass, Jack. Thank you so much. There's no point in hiding. You can't hide forever. There's no quick turn in this one. What the what? I'm looking for a nerve, but it doesn't look like there's one, so... hear more coming. Get ready. I should probably help him. Ah! Do we go down? Do we shoot the guy? No, he's with us. Join your teammate to the objective. Where's my teammate? Oh, there he is. Okay, let's go. I want to look at chat. Hang on. It's been a while. Thanks. Look at Wesker, quoting Wesker. Oh my goodness, so many zombies! Not this much.
Reloading.
Is the game losing frame rate? It feels like it is. Jack knows exactly where to go, huh? Just following him. That's the game. Keep up with Jack. Raccoon Police Department, there it is! Oh! So awesome! Hey John, welcome! It's been a while. Yeah, of course I remember you.
What the fuck's chasing us?
Look, there's Jill. Let's follow Jill. I'm just gonna be following Jill. Jill! I'm gonna follow Jill. No! Run! Ah, my goodness! Where's Jill? Come on, let's go. Oh no. Freaking love the nemesis. Where's my face cam? The thing is, it depends which computer I stream from. Oh no! Hold on! This is more important than my stupid face cam. Yeah, it depends which computer I'm streaming from. Right now, the laptop I'm streaming from, the camera is very lousy. So... where do I go? This is where I need to go, I think. Nemesis is after me! I am not stars! Go away! Wow, I did it.
That thing catches up to us.
Hang on, I need to do something. Kneel before me, Nemesis. Kneel before the king. Bow. Alright, hang on. We need to find a way up. He's up there. They're up there. I need to find a way up there. Hold on. Where do I go? How did you get up there? Where do I go? How do I get up there? Oh man! Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, there. Oh, I forgot there. Okay. Sorry that took a while. Oh, there's Jill. Hey, Jill. Sup, babe? Sup, babe? She looks good in this outfit.
We have to keep moving.
We will. Just tell us what we're dealing with.
I don't know what it is. Nothing seems to...
It's alright. It's alright, John. That's right. It's good to have you here anyway. Sometimes I don't even know that I'm about to stream. What time is it for you right now, John? If you don't mind me asking.
That'll only slow it down. We gotta keep moving.
Wait, who are you?
Jill Valentine. I used to be with Stars.
Let me guess. That creature is one of Umbrella's creations.
Yeah, we're not exactly Umbrella's favorite people. We've been investigating some of their more questionable activities for a while now.
Command, are you getting this?
Yeah, I'm in the same time zone as Jack. It's 4:17 a.m. right now.
Service. She checks out, but you are not to share your mission objective with her.
Where are you headed?
Out of town. You should do the same.
Not quite yet, love. We've civilians to rescue first.
There are no survivors. They're all dead. You guys don't look like any rescue team I've ever seen. Look, I can't stay. But if whoever's holding your leash cares about what happened here, I'd start with City Hall. You'll find intel on Umbrella there. But if I were you, I'd get out of Raccoon City while you still can.
Hey, Juan. Welcome. I'm not wearing underpants. Actually, I wanted to do a joke earlier. When Amy joined us, I would tell her, you have to take your pants off. If you're establishing connection. What's going on? What's going on? Is it my connection? It's not my connection, is it? What's going on? Is it their servers? Are their servers dying? No. No. Am I still online? Yeah, okay. Oh, you're... Oh, has left the game. Oh, okay. I'm on my own now. Okay, here's what we're gonna do, Jack. Restart your PlayStation, whatever, okay? And come back and we'll do some heroes if you want. We'll continue this mission next time. Are we still with Jill?
Possible survivors.
Oh, they're with us. Okay, just want to make sure. Nemesis is back. He's eliminating all of them. What's he doing? Where's he gonna go? Who just shot me? Oh man. Let me look at chat for a bit, it's been a while.
Possible survivors.
Hang on, let me close the game for a bit. Hold on. It's true, I noticed that. No, that's because I'm so good. Alright then, no problem, Jack, no problem. I'll end the stream anyway. It's late anyway, it's almost 4:30 here. So we'll try this again, and I'm enjoying this one actually. I'm quite enjoying this more than the main campaign, so I might buy the DLC. I might. I'll have a think about it. And maybe we can do a full playthrough of the thing. Or actually, you know what? Somebody else was saying earlier, I think it was Levy that was saying this earlier. He was saying that if you host the game, I can join yours and I don't have to buy the DLC. Maybe we can do that next time. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna go because I finished my drink and I pretty much finished the game. Thank you all so much for hanging out, those who joined in. I really appreciate you guys hanging out. You guys make the stream fun. I'm gonna go. Thank you all so much for hanging out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!